Hey, my fitness professionals, this one is all for you today because I'm calling it the Build Your Business with the Buddy System. It's a very catchy name, isn't it? But it's a very simple concept. It's about making friends to build your followers. And it comes down to one simple little tool, and it's called outreach. So this is how we break it down. Right out there in the social sphere, you're hearing some words maybe called influencer marketing. If any of these have kind of rolled across your desk and danced through your ears, that's essentially what it is. But in essence, what it becomes is a way for you to be able to have a greater reach for your studio, your fitness, your workout, to maybe an audience that you normally would not have had contact with. So it's not about getting people that have no interest in working out. It's simply about gathering that tribe that have a similar interest to you and are already working out. They just didn't know that you were in the area. So here's how it breaks down for you if you would like to use this influencer marketing. It just sounds very sexy, doesn't it? So as a fitness gym, here's what you want to do. Think about the people that are in your space, the trainers, the professionals, maybe the online celebrities, whatever you want to call them, that you could maybe reach out to and invite to come to your gym to teach a class one day. Now, this is actually a lot easier than you're thinking because remember, most of these people just want to build up their influence and their marketing as well. So it becomes really kind of like, I do for you, you do for me kind of system. I know a lot of times as small business owners, we sit there in horror and think, I can't hire somebody as a spokesperson, a celebrity, an influencer, because I simply don't have the money for it. But here's where I'm going to take that pressure off you. Remember, it's really about building the relationship, so you're basically doing something for each other. It's not just you asking and they're coming in and saying, where's my money? Because I know you don't have that budget and that's fine. So for your fitness studio, what I want you to do is think about, is there another trainer maybe already in your area but not at a competing gym, or somebody online that you've seen that is doing a similar workout or fitness method as you that you could possibly reach out to and invite to come to your studio as a celebrity trainer of the day? Think about it. There's got to be somebody that you've already followed, and if not, let's start deep diving into it. A really quick way to do this is just get on Twitter, which I always use for research, or even Instagram, and see what kind of similar things are happening in your sphere. So once again, if you're a boot camp, let's see who's out there talking about their boot camp or maybe has a really strong following, but it doesn't even necessarily have a space of their own, because there are lots of them. Remember, there are trainers and fitness professionals that are only on YouTube. And you know what they would love to hear? They would love to get an email from you saying, Dear Jane, Dear Bob, you know, I follow your channel. I really like what you're doing. I have my own studio over here in neck of the woods, USA, ... And I would love it if you were going to be in my area at some point, if you would come to town and teach a class so that my students could meet you and interact with you and then find all the benefits and great stuff that you have to offer, because I think that they would really dig you. Do you think you'd be interested in that? It's a simple ask. There's no pressure. And let me tell you, there are so many people out there that would be really, really interested in doing it. I mean, myself, for instance, if I got that email from someone and they said, Stephanie, I watch your channel, I've been following you, and I think you have great fitness marketing and social media advice. And you know what? Next time you're in our town, do you think you would come to X, Y, and Z and do a presentation? Well, I might look on my schedule and be like, you know what? I am going to be over there. I would love to come by. And that's how the conversation can start. And then even moving forward, it could be something that you book just specifically to have them come into your town, but that maybe is a little bit farther down the line. But start thinking in that ways. Who could you build your buddy system with? What connections could you make that would actually bring a little bit more of a presence, a little bit more notoriety to your studio without you having to make some kind of big celebrity investment? Because I am not asking you to hire those celebrities online that you see that you're already like, I know they're just getting paid for an Instagram post. No, I want real people like me. Like if somebody approached me, I would say, yeah, I would love to talk to your group. Because for me, it's really about sharing my knowledge. And I know in the fitness community, it's about sharing your knowledge too. So if you were to approach these other trainers, these other professionals, I can bet you they're going to say, you know what, I'd love to talk to you about that because I'm truly interested in spreading my message and spreading the message of health to a wider audience as well. And guess what that is called? Influencer marketing. And that's how it's done. Does that sound good to you? Have you gotten anything from this? I really hope you did, because I'm just trying to give you some ideas to start pinging your mind to start thinking in a different way. Because sometimes marketing can sound very boring. It can sound just like page turning, but really it's about the conversation going, starting the relationships, and just getting more people to know that you exist. That's marketing. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, click below me, click a little like, subscribe to my channel. I think it's somewhere over here. I don't even know where it is on the screen. And let me know in the comments below what challenges you're having with your fitness business, because I would love to figure them out with you. And if this whole influencer marketing thing sounds good to you and you would like to invite a guest trainer to your gym for a class or two, but you're not sure where to start, well, I'm going to help you with that. So you just email me, mayor@boomtownmarketing.com, and we'll start talking about it. We'll brainstorm some ideas and craft a couple emails, and just like that, you're going to have that guest trainer in your gym bringing all their followers with them, at least online. But guess what? They could also become your members. So that's all I have for today. We didn't make 5 minutes. I apologize. I got very chatty today, but that's it. I'm Stephanie from BoomTown Marketing. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.